All right. Hello traders out there. So it's about time we look at a quick one right here on Euro AUD. So it's about time, in my own humble opinion. So quickly, let me take out the Fibonacci's on the charts here, and we are going to take out the daily Fibo right here too. Yeah, close, 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 close. All right, so we can dive into the analysis proper. All right, so quickly, here we go. So quickly, this is the daily chart. So I'm going to enlarge it so we can just go all the way. I didn't close this one, right? Yeah, not yet. Let me just close it like this. Okay, so for some period of time now, you agree with me that the market has been selling. So sorry, don't bother about my line. These are support and resistance pivot points coming all the way from the monthly and the daily, right? So the market sold. It has been buying for some period of time nicely. All right, so let me make it. Let me just hide my stuff so it does not. I think it's getting on the way. So many of us will not be able to see the chart very well. All right, let me just leave it like this. I think this is a little bit fair. So we have a major support and resistance on the monthly right here in the market, no doubt. You guys can see it, like it has been moving on a sideways movement. This looks like a consolidation on Euro AUD right here. All right, so we are going to see how the market is going to play out. Because what I'm looking at right here, right now, on the monthly time frame, okay, I can see that the market has been rejecting, we have been seeing a lot of rejection right here. All right, we get these two rejection here, and now we also have this massive rejection here too. All right, and also we got a support level here, support areas, and now we got this support area too. So for me, if this is a consolidation, the usual, the market is going to come down, right? When it's ready, it's going to come down and it's going to go back. That is what I am looking at from the monthly time frame. But then, hopefully, we can buy this market too on the smaller time frame. Yes. And then, what is the monthly Fibonacci also telling me? Because as a good analyst, if you are analyzing the markets for direction, the Fibonacci is also a good tool to make use of, right? All right, so this is the original Fibonacci on the monthly time frame right here, this one, and then the rest are as contrarian, and this is confirmation and another confirmation. So before the okay, yeah, from here we have a, so as I can see from here, the consolidation already started from here. Let me see, let me look that again. Anyways, we have the Fibonacci here. That is the original Fibonacci, because it is three type of Fibonacci we have. So the market already hit a level of support right here based on the Fibonacci direction, and then it's pulling all the way up. So long term, I'll be expecting price to pull all the way up to this level from the Fibonacci standpoint of view. All right, and then right here, then the market started consolidating. So I have confirmation Fibonacci all the way to this level before we, yes, that is the first confirmation Fibonacci, and then I have the second confirmation Fibonacci after the first confirmation Fibonacci hit profit target, right? So now from here, here, there is a consolidation. So let me take out that confirmation Fibonacci off, so I can clearly see right here, right now, that we have a resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. So this is a consolidation right now. So what am I going to do? All right, so I'm just going to hide these guys, okay, and properly draw out my consolidation on the monthly time frame. I can see a consolidation at this area. All right, so I'm going to stick like this, stick to this rather, and I'm going to draw another one from here. Like this. All right, here. So I'm going to do like this. So as we can see right here, the market has been in this range for, although for several times it has been breaking out, still keep coming down inside. So that is a consolidation for me, right? So that's what we are looking at right here, right now. So let me just close the Fibonacci. So we don't use Fibonacci on the consolidation. Fibonacci does not work inside the consolidation. Now the weekly time frame right here, we can see also, right? So I'll be looking for a sell, upcoming sell later on. I just have to wait for what a kind of bearish candlestick pattern, right here. Hopefully the market is going to retest again, then it's going to fall. So this buy was a result of market going, consolidation right here, breakout, went up to the consolidation resistance band area, went all the way outside and came in back to retest this breakout from this small structure. We have a little structure right here back in time, right? So the breakout, right, that breakout, let me change this color to blue. So the breakout of this box here, this structure down here, so the market came in to test this candle that breakout, okay, from here it came in to test it. So I drew this from the smaller time frame, I think the daily time frame. So test it. Last week we have a strong bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, and now the market is selling to the downside. Hopefully it's going to start selling all the way back, because as long as this consolidation is going to continue, the market is coming down here. If not, then the market is going to buy out of the consolidation, it's going to pull out, and it will continue to go all the way up. Yes, all the way up. So I think I have to adjust this guy very well. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Because this was the first time the market hit the resistance and dropped to the support right here. And I'm going to adjust you to right here like this. Alright. So let's just go like this. So you can see resistance, support, resistance all the way down here, and now we're expecting price to come down back towards this area. Alright. So back in time, this market tested this week inside here. Here you can see tested it nicely, and then from that area started pushing up. So right now this is where we are on the weekly time frame, no doubt. So I'm expecting so the monthly candle last month did all of this stuff, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 months, 4 weeks, which simply means one complete month. So now we have the first week, and now we're on the second week of what month? September, right? Yes, September, yeah. So we'll see how this one is going to play out. So let's switch on to the daily. Right here in the daily, inside the consolidation, in my own humble opinion, we can see how the market was trending to the downside previously, and finally it's changed the direction right here on the daily. This wasn't the break of the structure, not here. I think I skipped that area. Where is the break of the structure? Okay, it was here. So I'm gonna do this, so this was lower lows here, lower high here, and this was a breakout of the structure. But this was the breakout of the structure on the weekly. This was a breakout of the weekly structure, this small structure right here. So I call it a break of short-term downtrend, right? Break of short-term downtrend, BUSTDS. All right. So we can see the market was short-term, making short-term downtrend. So we have lower lows here, lower high, and this was the lowest low before the market started going up. Here was the lowest low, right? So this the lower high, the previous lower high. This actually was the break, this candle, the week break, and price push all the way down again. But I prefer to use the candle that break out, not just the week, but I prefer also when a candle close above the previous lower high right here. So that gives me a good confirmation of the market buying to the upside, because for some period of time we can see the market has been ranging on the sideways. So this was when the market was accumulating. Okay, the market was accumulating at this side. So after breaking out with a candle body close above, that was a signal for a buy. Yes, that was a signal for a buy, not the week. Okay, the week, the market attempted actually to close above here, but pushed all the way down. The bears were very much in the market. We can see how sellers, those that have big money, were able to sell price with this huge candle. We can see the printing of this candle shows that the bears are very much in the market, and they were able to successfully push price all the way back. So even when the market come down all the way up right here, because they caused this move, all right, sellers rather, I mean those who are controlling the bears movement, they were able to push price down again because they were already waiting after causing this huge candle. They were also waiting at this line to still do the same thing. But the bulls too were also in the market. Once price came in down here, the bulls, they struggled at this level right here. But finally, the bulls were able to take control and push price. So once this price closed above here, that was the first signal for a buy. And if we cannot buy right here, we just have to wait for further confirmations. There are a lot of tools we can use on TradingView for more confirmation. Sometimes I use my Ikenachi colors, right? So my Ikenachi color is telling me green. It was a green body candle. That is a buy for me. And also I have what do I call this? I call this this is the RSI, and this is the stochastic. So at this point in time, I can clearly see the RSI here. Okay, price is at the bottom, which is over sold area. So at that point in time, we're expecting a buy on the market, and as you can see, the RSI gave a bull signal for a buy even before the market started buying all the way here. The RSI gave it very clear signal. The moving average cross, and stochastic too was also doing the same thing right here. So the stochastic also, the moving average too on the stochastic also did cross right here. And also the bulls were much in the market at the time, and they were able to push price all the way. So a lot of buyers were in the market. The Ikenachi was telling me bye. And I have the super trend also gave a signal, right? The moment the market broke this previous lower high here, super trend, market closed above this sell super trend, and the buy super trend signal came out for a buy right here. And that's a lot of signals for me to buy the market at the time. And let's not forget that market price was coming all the way from the consolidation band area. That's another signal. So all I just keep doing is waiting for a bulls to step in the market and show me that they are ready to take control. And I have all these technical indicators to show me, to tell me, all right, get into the market. Now I have this moving average cross right here. So this is the 100 and this is the 50 moving average. And so when they cross here, I got a signal for a buy. And also you can see how the market pushed all the way up. And now the market came in back to retest this little structure. Why am I calling this a structure? All right, I'm calling this a structure because of the little consolidation, right? Right, some people call it a breakout of structure, supply and demand, right? So once the market breakouts, after this little consolidation, we can see another breakout, and we can see how the Ikenachi color still remains green, telling us to keep holding to our trade. If we would have bought at this level, keep holding to the trade and all the way up right here. So once price gets to the band right here and gave this huge massive bearish pressure from the week, we can see that. All right, okay, I was meant to close this. We can see how the market, that bearish pressure from the week, all right, so that's a bearish candle right there, huge one. The bearish pressure, that tells us that the bears are taking control of the market. So when this candle closes, that would have also be another signal to sell this market from this level. And using the Ikenachi color too, right here did not change color. All right, the Ikenachi color did not change to red, so that would have been still hold on for more confirmation. And when this candle closed below this super trend buy, we got a super trend sell, right? And the Ikenachi color changed to red, and that's the sell all the way down. So this would have been a first level for profit target area right here. And if you look at the stochastic, is at what? At that point in time, it is at overbought area. And once the moving averages cross right here, that would be a signal for a set, and that also goes to the the relative strength index, yes, RSI right here. That would have been another signal to sell the market all the way down. So, and this is a beautiful move. And now, right now, actually, my main purpose of sharing this video is how we can, look at the market properly from the higher time frame, get to know what the market is doing in the broader sense before we look at what the market is doing in a little scale, and how we can take advantage of the market before the market take advantage of us. All right, so now at this point in time, I'll be looking at on the daily right here right now, what should we be focusing our attention, what next should we get ready for. All right, we can see here that the market has been buying. It bought last week, and now this week is a first sell. We can see today, Monday, the market is selling, right? So what are we going to be expecting to happen next? At this level, I already project a buy right here, right? I'm already projecting a buy, and I can clearly see that this market, all right, is going to close inside the body of this candle. And also, we can see that when the market was coming down, it was making lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, right? So right now the market just terminated this level of what I call, so let me clone this. Clone and then bring this guy here. So this is another where break or short-term downtrend, right? On the daily. Okay, let me make it a little bit smaller. So that's another break or short-term downtrend right here, and the candle close above that level. That's a very good signal for a buy. What is my Ikenachi color telling me? Buy, 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 right? Okay, that is not enough. Now, one other thing we want to put into consideration is once the market makes it makes a lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, and lower low here. All right, so right here, once the market terminates this level of low, okay, past this level here this was a past resistance, right? It was a past resistance. Okay, so let me change the color. Let me just use black. It's a past resistance, so the market closed above it, pushed all the way up. Now we're expecting price gravitating to the next level of resistance, which is going to be just right here. All right, and we can see, back in time, the market reacted to its resistance. It's an area, it's not a line. And now price closed above it last week Friday, and now price is coming down to retest that area. So I'll be expecting for price to push all the way to the upside in my own humble opinion. All right, now the market can at the same time also sell, okay, because the market is not just going to continue to buy, like buy forever. Okay, after a high, a low must come. So we know that we have a higher high right here. All right, this is a higher high compared to this lower high, right? So we have a high. So we know that this short-term downtrend is no longer valid as long as this market here made a higher high right here. So what are we looking at? We're looking at for an upcoming uptrend. All right, yes, that is what we're looking at coming up. So at this point in time, my own humble opinion, it all depends on what is going to happen in the market this week, but I will be looking at for a retracement. Okay, now I put a buy area here. Now, is this where the market is going to buy for a fact? The fact I put the buy area here, well, I really don't know. The market can still decide to push all the way down, test this level, right, before it pushed all the way up. Who knows? The market can also at the same time decide to push all the way down before pulling all the way to the upside. I don't really know. Okay, so in my own humble opinion, looking at the market, I will really expect the market to actually pull all the way down to this level before pushing all the way to the upside. That is what I'll be expecting to see. That is what I would really like to see. If it happens like this, I will be very happy. All right, I'm very happy, and that will mean that the market is already, this is a crown pattern that is coming, so I'm expecting a retracement on this one. All right, so I just have to wait and see how the market is going to play out, but for now I can still see that the market is very good for buying to the upside. So we're going to look at how we're going to buy the market, or better still, stay out. All right, because I would prefer to sell the market from this level. All right, I prefer to sell the market from this level. So right now, I guess I just have to hold on. Yes, I will have to hold on and see how the market is going to play. But if you think you're very smart and skilled and very skilled to go about this movement right now, well, you can just take a good look at it and decide on what to do on that. All right, so this is a 4-hour chart right here. So as you guys can see, I'm already preparing to buy the market, but from this analysis I'm making right now, I might decide to wait. Yes, I might decide to wait, because already we can see the market is already pulling down, and that is the movement of the daily candle, right? So I'm only going to buy and buy when this market close body candle above it. If the market for any reason decides to push up, close body candle above this trend line, I'm going to buy, but I'm going to risk less. So this is where proper risk management have to come in when you are trading with your account. So we can see already the market has already been buying. I already traded this. Now the market, you made high, sell lows, high, sell lows, high. After a high, a low should come. So we never know where that low is going to go to, how far the low is going to go all the way. So we just have to trade, carefully. In my own humble opinion, looking at the swing low and the swing high, like I said, from the daily time frame, I'm expecting price to pull all the way down towards this level, right, for a good opportunity to buy all the way back to the upside. But if not, I'm just going to wait and see like I said, if a counter trend line is broken, I'm going to buy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set an alarm getting ready to buy this market if it does happen. Alright, so it's just going to be buy, waiting for that to happen, counter trend line break, and I'll buy it all the way right here, but I'm going to risk less. So I advise that if you have interest, you want to risk less on this one. Alright, so right now that is all I want to share with you guys right here. Euro AUD. Okay, so Euro AUD, and that's Euro AUD analysis. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you like it, please give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe for more in the near future. Until then, from me to you, it is stay tuned until the next time I post another video.